You must ask these questions before going solar. Discover the secrets to making the right choices to avoid common pitfalls. In today's video, we'll unleash the full potential of solar energy for your home and save on energy bills with just a few crucial questions. So stick to the very end of the video. Let's get started. Understanding your energy consumption. Going solar is a big step towards reducing the carbon footprint and saving money on bills. But it's essential to fully understand your energy consumption before making the switch. Determining how much energy you use daily is critical to ensuring you get the right solar panel system size for your home. You'll need to gather your past energy bills and look at your daily and monthly usage. This information will give you a good understanding of how much energy you need to generate from your solar panels. It's also a good idea to consider any future plans for energy consumption, such as adding a new appliance or starting an energy-intensive hobby. Once you have an accurate estimate of your energy consumption, you can determine the size of the solar panel system you need. A typical residential solar panel system ranges from 3 to 8 kilowatts, but the exact length depends on your individual energy needs. Remember that the more energy you use, the larger the solar panel system you'll need to accommodate. The cost of a solar panel is based on size, location, and the type of panels you choose. On average, a 3 kilowatt solar panel system can cost anywhere from $10,000 to $15,000, while an 8 kilowatt system can cost upwards of $40,000. Getting multiple quotes from different solar panel companies to compare costs and ensure you're getting a fair price is essential. Additionally, you can save money on the cost of installation by taking advantage of federal and local incentives, such as tax credits, that are available for going solar. These incentives can significantly lower the overall cost of your solar panel system, making it even more affordable. Evaluating your roof's suitability before going solar is essential for ensuring the efficiency and longevity of your solar panel system. Evaluating your roof's suitability. Your roof is the foundation of your solar panel system, and evaluating its suitability is essential before switching to solar energy. A suitable roof should support the panel's weight, be free from shading, and have an orientation that allows for maximum sunlight exposure. First and foremost, you'll want to check the age of your roof. Solar panels have a lifespan of 25 to 30 years, so if your roof is close to needing a replacement, it may be best to wait until you've replaced it before installing your panels. If your roof is in good condition, you can proceed with evaluating its suitability for solar panels. Next, you'll want to look at the orientation of your roof. Solar panels work best when facing south and receive maximum sunlight exposure. If your roof doesn't face south, it may still be suitable for solar panels, but it may not be as efficient as one that does. Shading is another essential factor to consider when evaluating your roof's suitability. Solar panels work best when they receive consistent sunlight throughout the day. If your roof is frequently shaded by trees, buildings, or other obstructions, it may not be suitable for solar panels. You can use a shading analysis tool to determine the amount of shading your roof receives and if it will impact the efficiency of your solar panel system. In the end, you'll want to consider the weight capacity of your roof. Solar panels are relatively heavy, so it's essential to ensure your roof can support the weight of the panels and any associated hardware. You can have a professional inspect your roof to determine if it has the strength and stability for a solar panel system. Consider factors such as efficiency, cost, and quality to determine the type of panel that will work best for your needs. With the right boards, you can enjoy the benefits of solar energy for years to come. Comparing different types of panels. One of the most important decisions you'll make when going solar is choosing the right type of solar panels. There are 3 main types of solar panels available on the market: monocrystalline, polycrystalline, and thin film. Each class has unique features and benefits, so it's essential to compare them before planning. Monocrystalline solar panels are made from single crystal silicon and are known for their high efficiency, making them a popular choice among homeowners. They are also the most expensive panel type, but their efficiency means you need fewer panels to generate the same amount of energy as other boards. Polycrystalline solar panels are made from multiple silicon crystals and are more affordable than monocrystalline panels. They are less efficient than monocrystalline panels, but they are still reliable for generating solar energy. Thin film solar panels are made from a thin layer of photovoltaic material applied to a substrate, such as glass or plastic. They are the least efficient type of panel, but are also the most flexible and can be used in various applications. They are also the most affordable panel type, making them a popular choice for those on a budget. Besides choosing the right kind of panel, you'll also want to consider the quality of the panels. Solar panels come with different warranties and certifications, and you'll want to choose panels that are certified to meet industry standards and are backed by a solid warranty. Evaluating the installation cost before going solar is essential for determining the project's feasibility. Evaluating the cost of installation. The installation cost is one of the most important factors to consider when evaluating the feasibility of going solar. Solar panel systems come with a wide range of prices, and it's essential to understand what you're paying for and what factors will impact the final cost. The first factor to consider is the size of your system. The larger your system, the more panels you'll need and the higher the installation cost. You'll want to consider how much energy you wish to generate and the size of your roof to determine the appropriate size for your system. Another factor that will impact the installation cost is the type of panels you choose. Monocrystalline panels are typically the most expensive, while thin film panels are the most affordable. The cost of installation will also be influenced by the quality of the meetings, as higher quality panels may come with a higher price. The complexity of the installation process is another factor to consider. If your roof is unsuitable for solar panels or requires significant modifications, the installation cost will be higher. In addition, if your home requires additional electrical upgrades or if you need to hire an electrician to install the system, the cost of installation will also be higher. The cost of installation can also be impacted by local and state incentives, such as tax credits and rebates. These incentives can offset the installation cost and make solar energy more affordable for homeowners. Let's see how. But before going any further, if you're new to the channel, then like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more informative videos in the future. Checking local regulations and incentives. Before going solar, it's important to check local regulations and incentives to ensure your project meets all requirements and that you can take advantage of any financial benefits. Solar energy systems are regulated at the local and state levels, so it's essential to understand what rules apply to your area and how they will impact your project. The most important regulations to consider are building codes and zoning laws. These regulations may affect the size of your system, the placement of panels on your roof, and the system's overall design. It's essential to consult with your local building department and ensure your project meets all requirements before beginning construction. Another vital regulation to consider is net metering, which allows homeowners to earn credits for any excess energy generated by their solar panels. Some states have more favorable net metering policies than others, so it's essential to research your area to determine the best options for your project. There are also several incentives available to homeowners who choose to go solar. For example, the federal government offers a tax credit of 26% for residential solar energy systems. Some states also offer rebates and other financial incentives to encourage the adoption of solar energy. It's also important to consider the impact of local weather conditions on your solar panel system. Areas with frequent cloud cover or heavy shading may not be suitable for solar panels, while areas with high levels of sunlight are ideal. With that, we are approaching the end of today's video. We hope you learned something, and next time you plan to go solar, you must think about these possibilities. We'll catch you up in the following video. Until then, take care.